Keep fighting. Whoa. Punch him. Punch him. You can't just jump.
I just want to do it.
You get to go next, Pete.
But he's not letting me do it.
He just started trying it a minute ago. You guys shut that door so that they can't come out of there. See, they're coming out of that door. You got to shut it.
I'm gonna do it.
There you go. You shut one door. You go next, buddy.
It's almost your turn.
All right, Charlie, you want to let Peter go for a few minutes and then go, Pete.
Go, Petey, go. Look at little Pete. Oh, look at that, Pete. You're a natural. Get it. Oh, man, you got your butt kicked. Get it, Pete. Get him. Oh, yeah.
It's funny seeing a little...
Yeah, little kid. Oh, yeah. Oh, power.
Come back. You're getting too close, Pete.
I jumped up there.
I jumped up there.
You're getting too close. The screen's cutting you in half.
Oh, Bob. Oh, he's fast.
Come on back, Pete. Come on back.
Get him, Pete.
Punch him. You can't just jump. You got to punch. There you go.
Yeah, there you go. Swing your arms around. Yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, keep going. Swing, swing, swing.
There you go.
Yeah, jump attack. You stepped on him.
Say, come and get me.
Come and get me, bees. Oh, here it comes. Get to swing your
Punch
arms.
him, punch him.
Swing your arms.
Swing.
Oh.
Get his knees. There you go.
Yeah, good.